Welcome to the latest episode of Cooking with Kington. We're here doing a tailgating in honor of AE Weekend, and we're going to be exploring a number of different students' favorite tailgating foods. Okay, so we have our first student, Sophia, who is here. And so let me start off by asking you, so what year are you?
I'm in upper.
In upper, and where are you from?
I'm from Illinois.
Illinois, go Illinois.
Yes.
Okay, so your favorite food is,
Yes.
tailgating food is buffalo wings, so tell me why.
Yes, my favorite tailgating food is buffalo wings. Growing up, I ate a ton of wings, and I would always have eating competitions with my brother to see how many we could eat, and it'd be fun because I feel like it's nice because you can count the number of bones. So we would make a stack and just see who could eat more.
So do you put anything on them other than, because some people are into ranch dressing and all these different sauces, or are you a purist?
I guess you could call me a purist. I like to eat them with just the buffalo sauce or barbecue sauce or anything.
Yeah. So what's your record? Do you have a record for how many you've eaten?
Maybe 20.
Oh my God, 20. So now we're gonna eat this.
Okay.
So we're purists.
Yeah, we're obviously.
So no
purists are better.
sauce, no dressing.
Yes. Okay. Oh, both of them are my favorite.
Good.
Wait, it's really good.
And it's got that vinegary thing, which is an essential part of buffalo wings, and it's a little bit spicy. I'd say it's like a 3.
Yeah.
My eyes aren't watering. I'm not coughing.
Not crying.
I'm not crying. It's okay.
I think it's good.
Yeah. Now the problem is, and this is the part that I've always had trouble with, that your hands get messy.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree.
But that's part of the experience.
Dr. Kington, thank you for having me at your tailgate and eating my favorite dish. And go Big Blue.
Go Big Blue. So we're here. We've added burgers and hot dogs, and have Tasha, who's going to come and tell us about her favorite tailgating food while this is really cooking. So Tasha, so what year?
I'm a class of 26.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Pennsylvania.
What part of Pennsylvania?
Eastern PA.
Eastern PA.
Eastern
Okay.
PA.
So tell us, we have 2 things here. We have buffalo cauliflower, and we have pierogies.
Yeah.
So tell us a bit about why these are your favorite go-to tailgating food.
Sure. So I'll start with the pierogies. As I said, I'm from Eastern PA, a big football area, big Penn State area. And you always see these at tailgates, crock pot pierogies.
Crock pot pierogies. I didn't know there was such a thing as crock pot pierogies.
And Eastern PA, you boil your pierogies, you don't fry them.
You don't fry them? Okay, see, the Eastern European country, and each region has its own way of making pierogies. So what is inside the pierogi?
Inside is mashed potato, pretty much.
Mashed potato?
Sometimes
cheese. See, sometimes there's meat.
Sometimes there is meat. But
And so Pennsylvania pierogies. I've heard a lot of various types of tailgating foods. I've never heard of pierogies as a tailgating food.
You gotta have your pierogies.
Fascinating.
Yeah.
All the pierogies I've had actually have meat in them.
Really?
So this, yeah.
Well, you don't. My pierogies are not meat, but you do dress them up. You have your sautéed onions. You get your onions.
Really?
You get your cheese. You always have cheese and sour cream. Pierogies.
Now we're gonna do pierogi.
Yeah. And I'll put some sour cream on it. And this is like your weekend football, or Friday night football. You get this at the concession stand.
It's amazing food. I mean, food. So many memories are tied to food.
Yeah.
And a whole state of mind and existence, and sort of where you were at a certain stage in your life when you ate this food, and when you were really into this food, and so I'm gonna get another one.
Yeah.
So great. So thank you so much for joining us. I'm glad you could have.
Yeah, I'm glad you got to try these.
Yeah, I'm just my whole world was expanded.
Yeah.
Now we have another student, Paul. Come.
Hello.
Okay, so what year are you?
I'm a senior.
You play a sport?
I do. I play lacrosse.
Lacrosse. Okay, so have you played in AE?
I have played in AE.
Was it good?
It was good. We won 15-6. There we go.
There you go.
Can't get much better
I like
than
those numbers. Okay, so here's the you like pigs in a blanket.
I do.
I'm a pigs in a blanket connoisseur as well. So have you actually ever tailgated?
I have. You know.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago, so
Okay,
growing
so-
up in the Midwest. You
Yeah,
know,
Midwest.
A lot of football games.
Lots of football games. Lots of
Yeah.
tailgating. Big Ten and all that. So, why do you like?
They're just so easy to eat. You know,
They're easy to
they're
eat.
very small. It's basically a hot dog, but you don't have to carry the whole hot dog in.
Point. You can just pop them
Yeah,
in.
you're playing like frisbee, throwing a football around, just step off to the side, grab a pigs in a blanket real quick, and then you can.
So, have you made them ever?
I haven't made them. We usually just get them pre-made. So,
Pre-made, yeah.
they're
You've
still-
heated them up.
Yeah, heated them up, or just pick them up right beforehand.
Pick them up even better.
Yeah.
Pick them up right before that. Okay, so we're gonna eat some pigs and blankets.
Okay.
Very good.
Very good.
I like it.
Easy to eat.
Easy to eat. It's very simple. It's not pretending to be anything other than what
No.
it is.
Yeah, it's just
Basic food. That tastes good. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy. Thanks for coming to the latest edition of Cooking with Kington. Enjoy AE weekend. We'll win. What do we eat? There you go. What's your favorite tailgating food?
Probably chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
Yeah.
We had them earlier, buffalo wings.
I
Yeah.
love buffalo.
Okay.
Franks and beans. It's really good.
Yes.
I'm from New England, so I gotta go steak tips.
Steak tips.
Pepperoni pizza.